Welcome back to Great Day. Are you one of the millions of Americans battling sleep apnea right now? If you use a CPAP machine and you hate it, you should know that there is another option out there. A lot of people are finding success with this. Dr. Anna Smith from Dentistry with TLC in Godfrey, Illinois, along with her patient, Billy Daubenspach, are here to show you how oral appliance therapy could bring you some relief. Nice to have you both here.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you. Dr. Smith, thanks for stopping by.
Sure.
I'll get to you in a second. I want to hear a little bit about Billy's story. Billy, there was a time where you thought you were getting 8 hours of sleep at night, but you were still waking up feeling really tired, right?
Right.
So what did you wind up doing about it?
Well, first I had a sleep study, and I'd seen the advertisements for Dr. Smith, and went up and had an appliance made, and I couldn't believe the first night I put it in, I slept till 6 o'clock in the morning, didn't wake up once.
Which was not the life you had been
living.
living. You were getting up like 3 or 4 times a night, right?
Probably.
Which is not surprising because the sleep study that you did found that you stopped breathing like over 100 times an hour, right?
Right. I couldn't believe it either.
I couldn't believe it either. He was dragged, by the way, to the sleep study, not something he wanted to do. And then, of course, Dr. Smith, the recommendation for this bad boy comes along, which is, well, yes, Billy, you do have sleep apnea, so we're going to give you what we typically give people, which is this CPAP machine, which is big and noisy and clunky. And I don't even think he ever made it home with it. He said, no, there's no way I'm doing that. So he talked about this appliance. What's that all about?
Yeah, so most people, when they have a sleep study, they're told to use this big mask contraption. And like Billy, he put off having the sleep study because he didn't want to deal with that. So here's the other option. This is a little appliance. It's like wearing retainers. And you just take your retainers off of your teeth. And in the morning, whenever you're ready to go to bed, you just put them right on your teeth. And that's it. You don't have to deal with the mask or the hose. There's nothing in your throat. There's nothing on your face. And when you lay back to go to sleep, these little wings stop your jaw from falling backwards. And when we keep your jaw forward at night, your tongue stays with it, and that holds your throat open. So instead of using a mask that forces air down your throat to keep your throat open so you can breathe, this just holds your jaw forward, and that way you can breathe on your own. So Billy went from not breathing over 120 times an hour to now being able to sleep all night, and sometimes having to get up once, but usually sleeping through the night. And that was unheard of for him before he used his appliance.
And what's that doing for your energy then after you wake up in the morning?
Oh, it's, I just thought it was normal before, but no, you feel much better. I mean, you don't have to force yourself to get up to do something. You feel, you know, I just really forgot what a good night's sleep was like.
What a great feeling that must be. And very simple to get fitted for these. Dr. Smith can take care of the whole thing. Dr. Smith and Billy, thank you so much for coming along to talk to us about it. We appreciate it. Dr. Smith's actually offering some free seminars about oral appliances, just if you think it might be something you're interested in. There's one in Edwardsville at the Lewis and Clark Library on Thursday, November 21st, 6:30 p.m. And in Granite City at Southwestern Illinois College in the History Room, 211A, on Wednesday, November 20th, 6:30 p.m. And she's offering $1,000 off an oral appliance until the end of the year. That is huge, folks. You should know Dr. Smith has more experience with oral appliances than any dentist in the St. Louis region. 99% success. She's one of only 4 dentists in the entire country to achieve what they call Sapphire Partner status for her experience helping people use an oral appliance. For more information, check out DentistryWithTLC.com. Dentistry with TLC, just about 30 minutes from downtown St. Louis in Godfrey, Illinois. There's the number, 618-466-0733. Call them for an appointment.